A school in Texas was flooded from the Hurricane Harvey. Miss Jilek-Wolfe's class wanted to help. We thought raising money would help the school, but how could we raise money? We thought of a plan of action with different ways to raise money. Some of us wanted to start right away, so we went home and sold toys, had a lemonade stand, and asked relatives to donate. We made nearly $100. Mrs. Jilek-Wolfe called Helen at the ceramics studio and told her our idea to make clay hurricanes and sell them. Helen was so excited, she said she would donate everything we could need. Helen brought everything we needed to make the hurricanes to our school, and we got started. First, we stamped the clay to make a texture. Next, we used a tracer, traced hurricanes with a toothpick. Then we cut out each hurricane, and Helen took them all back to the studio to go through the first round in the kiln. While we were waiting for the clay hurricanes to be finished, we started working on our other ideas. A group of children wanted to sell paper hurricanes to hang on the wall in the cafeteria for $1 each. They had each child in the class draw a hurricane, and they chose their two favorite to sell. We also addressed envelopes to students to collect loose change. Then we wrote it a letter to all the people in our school.
And Mrs. Jilek-Wolfe wrote a letter to all of the parents explaining our PBL.
Together we stapled packet to send home. The packet had both letters, a hurricane to color, and an envelope to fill with change. Finally, the clay hurricanes were out of the kiln and ready to be painted. We began painting 500 hurricanes. After we painted all of the hurricanes, we sent them back to Helen to go through the second round of the in the kiln. Meanwhile, we collected the colored paper hurricanes. We cut them out and glued them on the paper in the cafeteria. We collected envelopes that were filled with change. The hurricane's already south. We went on the announcements and we told the school we were selling hurricanes during lunch. We also went to all the classrooms and we told about the hurricanes. Then it was time to sell. We sold over 250 hurricanes. We used tags to see what we sold. It was time to count donation.
Our amazing school donated over $1,900 for the flooded school in Texas.
Thank you for helping us help others.